Otters, the playful guardians of aquatic ecosystems. Welcome to the fascinating world of otters, one of the most charismatic and beloved animals of our planet's waterways. With their playful demeanor, sleek bodies, and remarkable intelligence, otters have captured the hearts of people worldwide. But beyond their endearing behavior, otters play a critical role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems. In this documentary, we will dive deep into the lives of otters, exploring their habitats, behavior, adaptations, and their importance to the environment. Otters are semi-aquatic mammals that belong to the Mustelidae family, which also includes weasels, badgers, and minks. There are 13 species of otters spread across various parts of the world, each uniquely adapted to its environment. From the North American river otter to the endangered giant otter of South America, and the sleek Eurasian otter to the playful sea otter, these creatures inhabit a diverse range of aquatic habitats, from rivers and lakes to coastal shorelines and estuaries. The most iconic feature of otters is their streamlined bodies, perfectly designed for life in the water. They have long, slender frames with dense, water-repellent fur that keeps them warm even in icy conditions. Beneath this thick fur lies a layer of insulating air, a unique adaptation that allows them to maintain their body temperature while swimming in cold water. Their webbed feet and powerful tails make them agile swimmers, capable of remarkable speed and maneuverability. One of the most fascinating aspects of otters is their behavior. They are known for their playful nature, often seen sliding down muddy banks, chasing each other through the water, or playing with objects like rocks or shells. While this behavior may seem purely for fun, it also serves practical purposes, such as honing their hunting skills or strengthening social bonds within their group. Social behavior varies among otter species. River otters and giant otters often live in family groups, while sea otters are more solitary, but occasionally form loose social groups called rafts. These rafts can consist of a few individuals, or in some cases, up to 100 otters floating together, holding hands to keep from drifting apart. Otters are carnivorous, with diets that vary depending on their species and habitat. They primarily feed on fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, though some species, like the giant otter, are apex predators capable of hunting larger prey, such as caimans and anacondas. Their hunting skills are remarkable, combining speed, precision, and intelligence. Sea otters, for example, use rocks as tools to crack open the hard shells of clams and sea urchins, a behavior that demonstrates their advanced problem-solving abilities. The habitats of otters are as diverse as the species themselves. River otters inhabit freshwater ecosystems, such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands, where they rely on clean water and abundant fish populations. Sea otters, on the other hand, live along coastal waters, particularly in kelp forests. These underwater forests provide food and shelter for sea otters, while also stabilizing the ecosystem by controlling populations of sea urchins, which can overgraze kelp if left unchecked. Otters are vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. By preying on fish and invertebrates, they help regulate populations and maintain a healthy balance in aquatic food webs. Sea otters, in particular, play a keystone role in their environment. Their consumption of sea urchins helps preserve kelp forests, which are crucial for carbon sequestration and providing habitats for numerous marine species. Without sea otters, these ecosystems could collapse, leading to devastating consequences for biodiversity. Despite their ecological importance, otters face numerous threats. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are among the most significant challenges they encounter. Rivers and wetlands are being degraded by human activities, such as deforestation, dam construction, and urban development, which reduce the availability of clean water and suitable habitats for river otters. Similarly, sea otters are vulnerable to oil spills, which can coat their fur and compromise its insulating properties, leading to hypothermia. Hunting and poaching also pose serious risks to otters. In the past, Their luxurious fur made them targets for the fur trade, leading to drastic declines in populations. Although many countries have implemented protective measures and banned otter hunting, illegal poaching persists in some regions. Additionally, competition with humans for fish and accidental entanglement in fishing gear further threaten otters' survival. Several otter species are listed as endangered or critically endangered. The giant otter, native to South America, and the smooth-coated otter of Southeast Asia are among those at greatest risk. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival, and many organizations and governments are working tirelessly to protect these animals and their habitats. Conservation strategies include establishing protected areas, restoring habitats, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Public awareness campaigns are also essential in educating communities about the importance of otters and the threats they face. Ecotourism has emerged as another valuable tool, providing economic incentives for local communities to protect otters and their environments. Scientific research plays a pivotal role in otter conservation. Studies on their behavior, ecology, and genetics help inform conservation strategies and highlight the interconnectedness of ecosystems. For example, research on sea otters has revealed their critical role in combating climate change by preserving kelp forests, which absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide. Otters have also become cultural icons, appearing in folklore, literature, and media. In many indigenous cultures, otters are symbols of playfulness, adaptability, and resourcefulness. These cultural connections can help foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship toward protecting otters and their habitats. As we marvel at the charm and intelligence of otters, it is vital to remember their plight and the efforts needed to secure their future. Each otter, whether gliding through a river, cracking open a clam with a stone, or calling out to its family in the dense Amazon rainforest, represents a piece of a larger puzzle, an intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Otters remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. By protecting otters and their habitats, we contribute to the health of our planet's waterways and the countless species that depend on them. Let us celebrate the otter as a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the joy of life in harmony with nature. Together, we can ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive, bringing their playful energy and ecological importance to generations to come.